I blew up this YouTube Shorts channel from 0 to over 500k subscribers in less than 90 days. Don't believe me? Look at this. I only have 67 videos, and one of my shorts got over 100 million views. And the crazy part is, this channel made over $23,000 since monetization with just 67 shorts. Now you're probably thinking, is this even real? Or did I just edit some fake screenshots? Well, today, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it step by step so you can copy this strategy and blow up your own channel. Enough talk, let's begin. Step 1. The YouTube account trick. Right now YouTube isn't pushing brand new accounts. If you start with fresh brand new account today, you'll get almost zero exposure. Fortunately, I had an old personal account and that gave me a huge advantage. But if you don't have one, here's what you need to do. Create a fresh YouTube account and spend at least a month watching videos, engaging with content. This helps YouTube know you're not a bot and boosts your chances of getting more reach when you finally start uploading. Once your account is warmed up, that's when the real strategy begins. Choosing the right viral niche. Step 2. Choosing a viral niche. A lot of YouTube gurus will tell you to start a channel in a niche you're passionate about, but honestly, that's bullshit. In a VIP pass to flop channel, just because you're interested in something doesn't mean other people are. Instead, you need to choose a niche that's already going viral, and there are plenty of ways to find one, but simplest way is just check your YouTube homepage. If a short is blowing up there, it means YouTube is actively pushing it to new audiences. Once you find a niche that's pulling nice views, go to that page and see how their other videos are performing. After some digging, I found a niche with over 600k subs with just 11 shorts. For a second, I thought I hit the jackpot until I realized they haven't posted in 7 months. Their last short was in August 2024. Why would they just stop? Are they allergic to money? Then after checking, I saw they're not even monetized. So yeah, this niche, straight to the trash. After some more digging, I stumbled on a short with 62 million views. Insane, right? The channel has over 500k subs, and although they had 600 shorts, one of them hit 15 million views in just 5 days, proving this niche still has a massive audience. And when I checked their monetization, yeah, I found my niche. By the way, this is their estimated monthly earnings. That's life-changing money right there. Step 3. Breaking down viral shorts. Finding the niche was just the first step. Now I had to figure out exactly why these videos were blowing up. So I went full detective mode, analyzing their top performing shorts, checking their hooks, video length, pacing, and even their comment section to see what people loved most. So give me a second. After watching tons of their content, I noticed something. They're just reposting other videos, but using voiceovers and captions to dodge copyright. And their most successful shorts fall into 2 categories, either hilarious moments or heartwarming clips that trigger emotion. And their strategy is simple. They use hooks like his reaction was priceless, making people stay just to see that moment. Plus they post every single day, no breaks. Step 4. Creating the videos. First, we need to find a video that's either funny or wholesome, something that triggers emotion. For that, I'm using TikTok. After searching for a while, I found this video where someone surprises their long-distance boyfriend on his birthday. It's sweet, wholesome, and exactly what we need. Now it's time to get it. Just copy the link, search TikTok video downloader on browser, click the first site that pops up, paste the link, and hit download. Now we have our video, but I can't just re-upload the video as it is. That would give us copyright. So first, I'll add a voiceover hook, like this one. A line like this will make people stick around to see the moment. To make the voiceover sound natural, I'm using 11 Labs. Just open 11 Labs, click text to speech, paste your line here, and click here to pick the voice you like. I'm going with Will.
We make our own.
Then hit generate, click here to listen to preview.
This girl surprised his long-distance boyfriend on his birthday, and his reaction was priceless.
And download it. If it doesn't sound right, just keep clicking regenerate until it does. Now that we have the voiceover, it's time to get background music for that extra emotional punch. And for that, I'm using this song.
Girl, I've never loved one like you.
Because I think it matches the vibe of the video perfectly. Go on TikTok, search for the song, find the video with that song and copy the link. Then search TikTok MP3 downloader on your browser. Open the first site that pops up, paste the link, and hit download. Now that we have the voiceover and background music, it's time to put everything together. Now open CapCut and import the short voiceover and background music we just downloaded. Now I'll add the video to the timeline. First, I'm just going to tweak the adjustments, brightness, lighting, all that. There's no strict rule here. Just do what looks good, like editing a photo. Next, we'll drop the voiceover onto the timeline. Then we'll lower the video's volume where the voiceover plays so it will sound clear. Click on audio, then add a keyframe at the end of the voiceover and lower the volume to around -25. Now add another keyframe a little before that and bring the volume back to normal. Now let's add captions. Click on text, then tap the plus sign. Stretch the text across the entire voiceover section. Then go to preset style and select the first one. Next, split the text wherever each word changes so it matches the voiceover perfectly. Now go through each text box and type in the exact words from the voiceover. Make sure they match perfectly. Now change the color of each text, orange for the first, red for the second, and so on. Why? Cause that's how the top channels in this niche do it. Then move each text to a different spot and rotate it slightly, just like they do. After that's done, go to stickers, find an arrow like this one, and place it pointing at the girl. The more elements you add, like stickers, text effects, or slight adjustments, the less likely it is to get copyright. Now finally, let's add the background music for that extra emotion. Find the best part of the song, place it over the video, then click on audio and lower the volume to around -20. And that's it. Now just hit export. And this is how the final video looks.
This girl surprised his long-distance boyfriend on his birthday, and his reaction was priceless.
And that's it. A simple formula that's already proven to work. The only question is, are you gonna try it?